The following Facilities Management Insight was filmed at the NFMT Conference and Expo.
Our next topic area is credentialing and continuing education, just because that's something that we're all interested in. Michelle, you've said that you love to learn, and you're in the right position for that then. But how do you choose the education programs that you decide to do? There's so many out there. And how do you convince your organization of the value of paying for those continuing education programs?
Right. Well, there's an allowance that the county reimburses you for taking classes and having certain training, but it's of course got to be approved. I research online classes versus attending classes, but because I have 3 kids, I'm taking project leadership and design or system design through Cornell. They're really great. Some classes, they are set up that you have to attend the whole day during the work week. These ones are, at your leisure, and you, of course, submit when you can. But I'm working on like 2 or 3 different types of certifications, and I just kind of just go for it. Yeah, it took me like 2 or 3 years to figure out what is what and what should I do and in what order. I think you have to understand what works for you, and also what your job, requires for you to learn and absorb, and so.
Okay, good. Yeah, Daryl, you kind of did that too. Is you got your master's in construction management because you thought it was going to add value and make yourself more valuable and marketable. But what other FM credentials do you have, or have you worked on, or other continuing education?
I just recently obtained my facilities management administrator designation through BOMI International, and I was a part of a pilot program. I was a guinea pig basically at our company, in our organization, because one of the things that we were trying to do was make sure that some of our key people, and they've identified like some relatively younger talent, to go through that. And there were several different certification programs that we considered, but the BOMI certification kind of fit more so with our organization because it was a little bit more technical in nature, and we thought that by pursuing that some of the things that we would learn in that could be transferable to other designations. I'm not trying to plug any organizations right now, but I think it's more of like it's a function of what the organization wants and needs, and then what you can do, or what you want to do, or where you want to be as an individual, because having a designation after my name puts me in a different arena as opposed to somebody that doesn't have a designation. It's just not a matter of having the letters FMA after your name, but it also puts you in a network of individuals that share the same type of experience, the same type of subject matter expertise, and not to be selfish, I mean, it's a good networking tool for you as well. So